Hi there, and welcome to our video about the Smart Underwater Scooter. This amazing device is the perfect way to explore the underwater world for divers of all levels. With its powerful motor and sleek design, the Smart Underwater Scooter can take you to places you never thought possible. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the Smart Underwater Scooter and show you all of its amazing features. We'll also give you some tips on how to use it to get the most out of your underwater adventures. The Smart Underwater Scooter is powered by a rechargeable battery that can last for up to 2 hours on a single charge. It has a top speed of 5 knots and can dive to depths of up to 100 feet. It is equipped with a built-in GPS and compass, so you can always stay oriented underwater. It also has a built-in camera, so you can capture amazing underwater footage. The Smart Underwater Scooter is also very easy to use. Simply attach it to your waist and press the power button. The scooter will then propel you forward at a comfortable speed. You can adjust the speed and direction of the scooter using the controls on the handle. The Smart Underwater Scooter is the perfect way to explore the underwater world. It is easy to use, powerful, and versatile. With the Smart Underwater Scooter, you can explore coral reefs, shipwrecks,